uMoema usolwa ngokukhwabanisa imali yemfundaze engango-16.5 million wamarandi ngesikhathi esasebenza e-KPMG, kanti laba abanye ababili basolwa ngokulekelela uMoema ukuba akhwabanise le mali esebenzisa izinkampani zabo.
There is no evidence that the three applicants will endanger the public or any person. KPMG is a big company. There is no evidence there is a likelihood that they will endanger the lives of witnesses.
Owabe eyintombi kaMoema usephenduke ufakazi wombuso kuleli cala. Kanti-ke uphiko olushushisa amacala omphakathi i-NPA lusemukele lesi sinqumo senkantolo.
We made a request that should the court be in a position to grant them bail or find them suitable candidates to be released on bail, then the amount should be increased so that at least it shows that the court takes into cognizance the seriousness of the offences that the accused are facing.
Kusenjalo, inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli ibeke eceleni inkontileka ka-5 billion wamarandi yomshwalense wokungasebenzi i-UIF eyanikezwa usomabhizinisi uMthunzi Mdwaba ngenkampani iThuja Holdings. uMdwaba waphumela obala ngokuthi ungqongqoshe wesisebenzi nokuqashwa kwazo uThula Sinxesi wafuna ukugwazelwa ngemali engango-5 million wamarandi ukuze kuqaliswe ukusebenza kwalenkontileka. Namhlanje ijaji uMaritz litshele uMdwaba ukuba ayeke ukudicilela phansi igama likaNxesi.